Alright, no, the bunny doesn't eat candy. Alright, let's check it out. This is the bunny that walks and poops jelly beans. That's disgusting. And Dane's gonna eat them. Dane, you're eating its poop! What, is that tasty? It pooped jelly beans. Look at that. Is that gross or is that fun? You just took its head off and put more jelly beans in it. You're getting so smart. Is that fun, Toy? Mmm, tasty poop. Oh.